Coffee and bacon time.
What was that? I brought it. Might as well use it.
Mike's got breakfast going. Two of my favorite parts about camping is eating and sleeping. Coffee should be ready soon too. But beautiful view on the Connecticut River. Probably can't see it, but there's a beaver hut right there. That's the trestle, and there's a remnants of a little beaver hut there. So back to the coffee operation. Mike's fantastic dish for breakfast, some Starbucks instant coffee. Oh, getting too old for this. Here we go. We are off. Day 2 on the Connecticut River. Yeah. It's 7 miles to the Samuel Benton campsite. That's the next one. And then the one after that, I think, is another 7 or 8 miles. We registered at the something or other memorial campsite.
If we did the Benton one and we were out at the same time tomorrow, we'd be able to take out at 1.
Yeah.
2 maybe.
Yeah, so we're just kind of rolling around the idea of do a medium-sized paddle today. It's all right, you can talk.
I didn't know you were doing that, sorry.
It's all right, it's allowed. You're part of this documentary, Mike. So yeah, we're rolling around whether or not we are going to do a, you know, medium-sized paddle, a medium paddle to the next site, which is like 7 or 8 miles, or a much longer paddle to the site after that. Your paddle's upside down, man.
What's that?
Says your paddle's upside down. Yes.
Try to get things squared away once someone.
Yes, I'm leaving that in the video too. Anyways, so yeah, so we're back on the water and we're having fun. We'll see you later.
Bill, can I help? Huh? Let me help. No, I'm good, Mike. I'm good. You sure? All right. I can't believe how clean this water is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. You could swim all over here.
Yep.
We could have camped over here too.
I'm still rocky though.
Yeah.
If I didn't have swamp ass when I got back yesterday, I probably would have liked to go for a swim, but I was so fucking damp. Dryness felt nice to me.
I'll shut my camera off now. Huh? Yeah, it's super shallow. Oh, I'm already bumping.
Like when I download my videos rather than using audio in the clip, I often narrate.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
My videos, the actual one. Oh no, I
Hey. Man, the water is super low, but it's beautiful over here. Scenery is beautiful. Water is super clean. Check it out. We're on wide angle, so we may not be able to see it much or capture the full effect, but it's really pretty out here. So, just trying to do some fishing with the old spinner. Made this fancy lure spinner out of a 223 brass 556 for all my veteran cohorts. I'm gonna try to, today's really the trial run for that, see if it works. We've We kind of turn the boat a bit and see if we can entice a fish with the experimental brass lure. Sinks quick though, quite heavy. Current's moving. Bullet lure, take one. Probably get stuck in the weeds and lose it. Oh, yep, right in the grass. Right in the grass. Looks like the action on it works. Hard to tell because I don't have sunglasses because I forgot them. I think the group has collectively decided to do the shorter paddle today, 7 or 8 miles, and just have a little bit more of a relaxing time than trying to knock out like 17 miles today. But this cart is taking me a good bit away from everybody. She's moving pretty quick. Check this out. Lots of pretty cool, mature vegetation around here. Somebody built some sort of a little rock dam. Probably to keep things from eroding. Get out from underneath this tree and cast into it. The other two knuckleheads are tying on a new lure, and they'll be catching up momentarily. So the sun is out and it's a good bit warmer. Hoping there's some fish hiding in the shade over there. We shall see. Nice. That's the end of that, kids. I lost the bullet lure in a tree. Hey, Mike! Can't hear me. Still too far away. Anyways, I was going for one of those finesse, like sidearm shots under a fairly low-hanging tree, and that's just not how it worked out. So the bullet lure I made is in the tree. It's alright now. I've plenty of stuff to make another one. Caught bait. Poor little guy. Looks like another shad. 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 Okay. Oh, that's good. There we go. Look at this little sucker. Yeehaw! There you go, buddy. Ugh. They're slimy little bastards. Not quite as bad as a pickerel, but I didn't want to use the net on him. He was quite small. Quite small. I'm glad when they're small like that, when you get the hook out nice and clean, though.
Same deal with that one. Like, yeah, you know, once you feel it when it's thin, sometimes if it's not thin, when you start to really just kind of like give it a snap to catch it. Snap it to fucking snap it. Sometimes it's
See if we can get his big brother. Got another one.
hopefully it's a little bigger than baby Shad.
Nope, little yellow perch.
Nice!
Heck yeah, first perch of the trip, man.
Woohoo!
This is like a breeding ground. It's like, I think we're like picking these guys out of kindergarten or something.
Yeah, we're like fucking three fishermen perverts.
Mike, you're on YouTube, buddy.
I just making the crack myself up today.
Come on, bud. Here we go. Good. Little yellow perch. He's getting me with his little spikes. We're gonna let him go. It's a nice deep pool here. I think I'll stay here for a few minutes. This is pretty freaking cool. Oh, I gotta spin it around this way if I can. Hold on, there we go. Anybody want to explore an abandoned tunnel?
What'd you say?
There's a little tunnel over here.
Oh, really?
Pretty cool. Fun. Not so little itty bitty so far, but I guess it's better than getting a big fat goose egg today. I do get nervous about catching the little ones because, like I said, sometimes they don't come off the hook all that easy. Like a hotbed in here. Every time they keep chasing it all the way to the boat. But they can't. They're all very small. I wonder why there's no larger ones in here. Hope these clouds, they look a little ominous in some areas. I got another one. Ooh. No, another shad. Relax. A hanging chad. Come on, man. Ugh. All right, relax. Calm down. You slimy bastard. Yeah, I know. I got you. You're good. He's all good. We are good. Later, bud. God bless pliers. Clouds rolling in, getting a little gray. Hopefully they stave off. We're supposed to be crappy to begin with, and we've been lucking out. Hurricane Ida was supposed to dump some water on this area. It's supposed to start last night and into this morning, but it hasn't yet. Which means we either got lucky or about to be really unlucky. But the river's nice and wide and much deeper here, so doing all right. So see you in a few if I catch anything noteworthy. All right. Killing it with the shads today. I don't even know what this is. I have no idea. Oh man. You're right. They make the worst freaking sucking noises. Yep, he's off. Ugh. Shad. If you have a better idea as to what those are, you can drop a comment below if you're watching this video. I've gotten some info from a friend via messaging. Dang it, first cast, he's on it again. That they are shads, American river shad, but I'm not sure. I don't know, so we'll see. Oh man, he get me good. This little bastard got me.
Oh, look at them.
Oh.
They are so beautiful, aren't they? They got a red belly?
Yeah.
A little bright orange stripe.
Oh, and he's off. And he's in the boat dancing.
They're the most beautiful freshwater fish.
Yeah, keep slapping me in the nuts.
My buddy used to call that kibble.
Come on. There you go.
That's what a fish does when he gets out of water.
Go ahead, bud.
Swimming?
Yeah. Sometimes it just takes him a minute. But it was a perfectly good hook right through the lip, and that was it.
Yep.
All kinds of little babies following the lures into the boat. Very small. They hit it as soon as it goes in the water too. They just can't do anything about it because they're too little itty bitty. Now I'm feeling like I should have kept that perch, but he's a good size. Anyways.
Just hold on to the tail, strip the meat right off of
Yeah, right? Look at this little sucker. Hold on. Oh, dude, you just whacked his dome on my tumbler. Hold on, man, we'll get you out of there. Where'd you go? He's under my seat, I can't get him. This ain't funny. Not really. Oh, we got him out from underneath my butt. He got stuck under my seat, but check that scenery out over there. I don't know if everybody can see it, but it's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. This is like a hotbed for chads and little itty bitty perch. Except for that other one, he was pretty good size. So I'll hang out here for a few. Keep on going.
Yeah, Mike. Shad. Fucking Shad.
I'm never gonna be able to put a video on YouTube with you guys.
Why?
Another one, probably the same stupid fish. Little sardine guy again. Another little Chad.
Oh. Are you taping now?
Yeah, I'm fishing. Of course I am.
Well, shut my mouth.
I got you.
Turn my boat around.
Stop biting my lure, you. Ugh. Anywho, let's try something else. Let's try the worm. Doing well on this, but it'd be nice if I got something a little bit larger. Hold on now. Where wrapped. There we go. These things are ruthless.
Huh?
I got another one.
Really? Not the same little guy.
Yes, it was. Maybe not, but it's the exact same size. I'm pretty sure I just caught the same fish 3 times. Like, slow freaking learner, man. Slow learner. Come on. They're just so little. It's a big bite for such a little fish. Come on. Ugh. Little sardines. Man, they wrap up the line bad. Unless I'm doing that. Possible. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, you got a good one, Mike. Oh, it's a big ass Chad. He's a good size though. Oh, I went too far in that. Ah. That was a mistake. Good size. Guys, changed a bit. I was gonna put the rain gear on, but blue skies in the distance. So I just switched out the old Dundee hat for my bowl cap because it's really windy, and everybody wants to wear an Outback hat with a strap on it, although it came with one. Anyways, hopefully the weather stays away for a bit. But that's what happens, right? Spend enough time out here and you will get caught in the rain. But the fishing's been good. Nothing worth eating except for that perch, which I let go. But I don't know much about the other ones I've been catching. Mike says that they're shads. We'll see. Again, if you guys can help out with that, that'd be cool. We'll talk to you soon. About to go under our first bridge. Oh, the scenery's looking a little ominous right now. Clouds, turkey vultures, abandoned barn. But still a good time. We're like, I think 3/4 of the way. Maybe not. Maybe just a little bit more than halfway to camp. It's only 2:18 in the afternoons. So we just taking our time, catching chads, and drifting.
Fighting perches.
Yeah. Well, they don't bite. They have dorsal fins, and they fan them up like sunfish. And you got to start at the head and kind of comb them down and grab them. But right as I went to do that, he was like, boing! He got me good too, little sucker. That was a good size. I probably should have kept him. It's just about the equivalent of Mike letting that monster trout go. But what are you gonna do? I thought we might have a little bit longer to go, so. Oh, I love the smell of farms in the afternoon.
You know, those clouds and that wind was a little disconcerting at first.
Oh yeah, for sure. I was gonna put my rain gear on, but just changed the old Dundee hat because it was getting windy. I almost lost her.
Ooh, that would have been a bad thing.
I would have been in the water getting it. I bought that in Montana when I went to Yellowstone. About to head under our first bridge. Might be our only bridge on this paddle. It's not all that impressive. It's not one of the fancy covered bridges, but always pretty cool. Nevertheless, nonetheless, however you'd say it. Check it pretty sweet. You may not be able to see it, but up on the top, big old osprey nest. Really good size. Haven't seen any on the river yet, which is crazy. Every time I make it to a river, I see a dozen of them. But none yet. Still pretty impressive how they build their nests. Under the bridge we go. Oh. The wind has picked up moderately. A little chilly. Sort of unpleasant. Overall, not too bad though. I think we're, I don't know, a mile and a half maybe away from the next campsite, hour and a half rather. And our options were stay there or pass it up and do like another 7 to 8 miles today and stay there, but with the weather changing and whatnot, if we get there and it's nice and there's nobody there yet, we'll probably just stay there and hang out and not really press our luck. And then we'll just have to finish the paddle in the morning, so it'll be 3 days of paddling instead of 2, so that's cool. Anywho, I'll check in with you in a bit. I don't know if everybody can see him, but we have an eagle friend. Pretty awesome. He just came right over our head. We've been waiting to see one or hoping we would. And he came up right out of the trees right in front of us and flew overhead. Love seeing those things. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh. Anyways. See if we can turn around. That was awesome.
Yeah, that was awesome. Alright.
Didn't get it on video, but I just got another yellow perch. He was a little itty bitty guy though, so we let him go. Paddling into the wind now, paddling into the wind. Almost to the site. We're gonna get there pretty early. Kind of a bummer. I'd rather be on the water, but I don't mind hanging out at a campsite for sure. So, we'll see in a few how nice it is. Here we are at the Samuel Benton campsite. These folks have set up a really nice place for everybody to stay. We hit the river right here, and you have a nice little staircase leading up to the site. We set up, last I was talking to you folks on the river, the weather turned for the worse pretty quickly, so we pulled over at this site, and man, is it beautiful here. This is such a great site. I wish I could talk to these folks and thank them for setting this stuff up. We made a donation. They've got everything thought of. They've got tables here, some benches, fire pits, firewood. It's great, and the view is amazing. I'll show you what it looks like here. So this beautiful field, heck of a view. They set up a nice privy bathroom. Go to the bathroom. Set up our tarp for our common area. All set up. Nice fire pit. Picnic tables. Mike, creepy Mike with the beer. Vote for me?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
We're kind of slacking in that regard.
Yeah, right. Everybody say thank you, Mike. Really nice fire pit. They've taken the time even to make a grate for the fire pit. Here's the campsite. Got a hammock up. A little further past is a firewood booth there. You can leave donations. I would suggest everybody does, because it's pretty fantastic they took the time to do this. On the other side of that, there's also another spot that you can stay. So it's pretty awesome. We were really excited to find it because the alternative was another 7 or 8 miles in the rain. If you really think about that, that would have been what we had to do. But it's great here, right on the water. You can see behind us, perfect. So if you're planning a trip on the Connecticut River, this is a great place to stop. If the people that have created this space happen to see this video, thank you very much. And hey, if you ever need any help maintaining it, let me know. I'd be happy to help. Talk to you soon. So this is our site. Inside, nice beautiful field on this side. Fire pit, our tents are over there. These people are awesome. They set all this stuff up. The river's right there. And in that little hole in the bushes right there, when we first got here, a very curious black bear was standing up on its back legs watching me string up a tarp. It was pretty cool. So hopefully he doesn't feel like going for a swim. Look what we got here. What do we think that is? Coyote. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Beaver. I don't know. Do beavers have claws? There's something walked all up and down this river bank.